Spent some time watching some YouTube videos this morning. Got fairly cracked up at the ads that I saw. Hey, this is Paul Evans, your free online business coach. 0 offers. Everybody knows the game. And part of the game is these ads. It was blowing me away because nobody was acting normal. Nobody acted like themselves. There was nobody that I saw that I thought, man, they'd be fun to sit down and have a cup of coffee with, or I'd like to get to know him or her better. It was all just this fake infomercial style of ad. It was weird because nobody would say the things they're saying with a friend if they went to Denny's and got a stack of flapjacks, which is really, to me, the measurement. Is it conversational? Is it real? Is this a person I want to be associated with? And so I've noticed that there are two things being stated over and over again. And somebody's selling this course. I don't know who it is. Somebody's teaching people that this is the way that you make an online ad on YouTube. And there's two statements that just crack me up. Well, one's actually a question. So the first one is, what if I told you? What if I told you that everything you ever heard about internet marketing is a lie? What if I told you that email marketing is dead? What if I told you that you could lose 30 pounds in 30 days eating nothing but pizza and ice cream? Now, that last one, I'd probably be tempted. I'd be tempted on that one because that could be pretty strong if it was real. What if I told you? Nobody talks like that. Like, nobody would go for a cup of coffee and sit down and the first thing out of their mouth is, what if I told you everything you ever knew about coffee was a lie? Nobody does that. It's not how we behave in real life. So when you hear that statement, you allow that alert to go off. Secondly is the whole concept of if you'll give me. If you'll give me, it's usually associated with time. If you'll give me 60 minutes, and I'll give you this free webinar. That was back in the day. That's probably 3 years ago. Now, because time is so precious, people say things like, if you'll give me just 30 seconds. And I saw one this morning that said, if you'll give me just 12 seconds, just 12 seconds, I'll show you how I make $200,000 a month. And I thought, man, if this guy really wanted to nail it, it'd be, if you give me 12 seconds, I'll show you how to make $200,000 a month without an internet connection, without a brain, and being $1.5 million in debt. Now that's the way you sell, right? Especially if you're not normal. Watch out there, folks. I mean, it's crazy town, and be careful. Anytime a video starts like that, you might want to insert, like I often do, and those of you who've been with me a while know that I do this, insert the word dummy or idiot or stupid. So if it says something like, what if I told you, dummy, that you could X? Or, hey, dummy, if you'll give me just 12 seconds, every time I realize, man, if they were to call me dummy, because that's the way they treat me in the video, I would know it wasn't real. Listen, email me if you've got any questions. Free online coaching club at gmail.com. 0 offers. Everybody knows the game. Success is not an accident. Be blessed.